Coronavirus scare. Cruise ship passengers in Italy free to go after Chinese tourists cleared. Sick Macau woman and travel companion both tested negative for coronavirus, ending lockdown of vessel with 7,000 people on board. Country's first 2 cases confirmed elsewhere, however, prompting Italy to suspend all flights to China. Thousands of stranded tourists were free to disembark from a cruise ship at an Italian port after authorities said 2 Chinese passengers feared to have the coronavirus tested negative on Thursday. Italy's Institute for Infectious Diseases examined examples taken from a Chinese woman ill with a fever, as well as her traveling companion, and both were negative for coronavirus, the health ministry said. It was not immediately clear whether passengers, who had been stranded for 12 hours, would disembark from the Costa Sirmanian cruise ship on Thursday or Friday. Some 1,000 new passengers were due to board the ship in Civitavecchia and 1,400 were due to permanently disembark